Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey, all right. Jeez, what a way to start a video. All right, guys, so I'm going to have a look at the Dow Jones right now, the S&P, and see what the market's doing right now. So right now, what's going on? Because it's really interesting that we're getting on. I'm going to focus on this video on the shorter term picture, not the longer term picture, some of that, but on the shorter term picture here. And what I'm focusing on the Dow Jones, is look at this here. Okay, so we're noticing that we have a lower high through here. The market's come down and the market's rallied back up here as well too. So over the last, say, let's go to 3 month view, you can see how the market's made a low. It's actually made a lower low, rallied up, made a lower high, come back down, and now we're rallying back up again. So it's really interesting to see. Let me just draw this down through here. We did have some sort of a line through there, didn't we? So it's actually broken that today. Interesting. Now, if I go to the S&P 500, let's go to the S&P 500, you'll be able to see where that line is at right now. So same sort of thing on the S&P 500. The market came down, made a low, came up, made a lower high, came down, came back up. So right now on the short term, the sellers are still in control and the market is still on its way down through here. So we have a high, we have a lower high. This could be some sort of lower high again and we roll back over. Again, we'll talk about the short term here, guys. That weekly chart, that may be telling us a different story, but we will wait and see. So that's what I'm looking at through there. And that's the same for the other indices as well too. If I go to the Nasdaq as well, what's the Nasdaq telling us? Same sort of thing, right? We're getting this nice, that's sort of the top point through there. So as you can see, we're basically in a bit of a channel. Came down, low, lower high, breaking of the low. So this could be another lower high here. We have a lower high. This could be some sort of lower high through here. And you can see how the market's running, right? It comes down, comes back up, comes down, comes back up. So right now, the tune of the market hasn't changed yet, and we could expect to see a bit more downside to come out of this, especially in on this overall move up. You can see how we only got to the 30%. So I still would expect to see the Nasdaq probably come down a little bit more to this band area where the 50 to 62% level is. The Dow Jones from the low to high point, I only got to the 30% and held, which if it holds here and then rallies back up, that's going to be a very, very, very strong move. But I really thought we would have got to to that level. And same for the S&P 500. You can see the band. The band here is that 50 to 62% level. If I squeeze my chart right up. So right now I am expecting that, or we'll see whether this market's going to create this another lower high through here. And if it does, we're probably going to head back down towards these lows through here. So really interesting times, guys. Make sure you head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial to the complete Master Trader Lab. Now, in the Master Trader Lab, you're going to get the complete Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. This is 12 videos long, chart reading, foundations. We've got 2 amazing trading systems in there and so much more. You're also going to get bonuses as well too. That's a framework to a successful trader. This is a complete trading course here. Also, you're going to get the chart reading mastery course and also the chart reading advanced mastery course. And also, you're going to get the millionaire bonus mindset course. This is actually my 7-figure mentor. There's 8 videos here teach you all about the mindset. Plus also there's a massive bonus package there, interviews and so much more in the Master Trader Lab, and I'm giving you a free trial to that right now. So head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial right now.